Today we will learn about CNC machining centers. CNC machining center is a high-precision tool, efficient CNC machining equipment. It can achieve the processing of multiple parts, including hole, groove, plane, cylindrical surface, spherical surface, etc. In modern manufacturing, CNC machining centers have become a common practice in various industries. One of the essential processing equipment for various industries. So a high-quality CNC machining machine. What characteristics should the center possess? Firstly, its machining accuracy needs to be high. This can ensure the machining quality of the parts. Secondly, its level of automation should be high, which can improve production efficiency. Furthermore, its functionality needs to be powerful, which can meet various processing needs. Of course, the most important thing is that its mechanical performance should be excellent. This can ensure the durability and stability of the equipment. As a CNC source manufacturer, we are always committed to providing customers with high-quality CNC machining center equipment. Our equipment adopts advanced technology, having precise processing capabilities and powerful functions, meet the personalized needs of various customers.